Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Isabel, and for today's video we're gonna be making this super cute Labubu. This trend does not seem to be dying, but the Labubu piñatas are really difficult to get and not to mention a little bit pricey. So let's make our own. So grab your template and your materials and let's get started. And we are finished. Look at that, isn't she so cute? So now you just need to fill it up and take it to the party. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified of my next tutorials. If you have any questions, just write them down in the comments, and also if you have any suggestions for the next piñata you would like me to make, you can also leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and see you for the next one.